good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're watching this from. Angela here, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for visiting my channel today. Today I'm going to be making a flower, a white flower. I'll have a black base, black white base, and this is Mars Black by Arteza, and then I will have my regular Artist Loft white for the flowers, and for the middle, in the middle of the flower, I am going to put some flower buds, and they will be red and yellow. So let's get started and enjoy the video and the music. I will talk to you once this is done, and I will show you the final result. Thanks for watching. If you're new to my channel, it's great to have you here. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my latest and future videos. Okay guys, here is the wet result of my flower. It looks like I lost some footage there. I started putting the flower buds in the middle of the flower, and then my camera quit, and I didn't realize until I was done with it. But this is how it looks now. I ended up adding a little bit yellow dots and white dots. As you can see, this is how it looks like, and I love it. It's beautiful, beautiful flower. So it's wet right now, so as soon as it dries, I am going to show you how it looks when it's dry. So here's the flower dry, guys, and I love it. I am in love with this flower. Yeah, so what do you guys think? It is beautiful. I love it. I'm gonna go ahead and varnish it, and I'll let you guys know when it's ready for sale. Comment below and let me know what you think. If you liked this video, subscribe if you haven't already. Share with your friends and family. Follow. And thank you for watching. God bless. Bye.